I'm really so grateful that I came across iExamB. I came across you because especially the live lectures we had on regulations, they were so good, and the mock interview session with you, that was tremendous. Also, the introductory lecture about securities market with Prachi ma'am, she talked few things, and I had direct questions about those things in the interview, so that was really great. Okay.
Talking about the fear of corporate law and securities law, I think in the beginning, I was also scared of Companies Act, but I actually went through the entire video that was available on the iExamB course, and I really want to thank you because all the concepts were made easier for us in that videos. I started watching those videos and then I read Bare Acts, so it was easier to understand.
एंड आई एग्ज़ाम बी के बीपीडिया के मुझे काफ़ी हेल्पफुल लगे थे करंट अफेयर्स, तो वो मैं स्टार्टिंग से फॉलो करती थी। तो आई एग्ज़ाम बी के जो बीपीडिया के जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं, एक तो वीकली करंट अफेयर्स एंड एक मंथली करंट अफेयर्स। तो इन द बिगिनिंग आई स्टार्टेड विद वीकली करंट अफेयर्स एंड इन द एंड व्हेन आई हैड लेस टाइम देन आई वेंट थ्रू मंथली करंट अफेयर्स।
Okay.
तो वो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहे थे।
And so I took help of that. I enrolled into iExamB. I have enrolled since 2022, so it helped me a lot. So I enrolled into our test series in 2022, and that was very beneficial because. So what I used to do was, uh, I'm taking a test at a iExamB, for example, and I'm doing the test. And when I am not able to get an answer to it, at that time I'm reading the relevant provision of the Bare Act, and that's how my understanding was getting better.